This video is to explain the curating of volunteer opportunities. This is an excellent feature for your organization to use in multiple different ways. It's a really good feature for one, maybe you don't have volunteer opportunities, but you have an audience that you like to curate recommended organizations or opportunities in your area for your audience. Let's say a college, you want your students to engage, but maybe you don't have any volunteer opportunities, but you want to recommend 10 in the area that you guys support. This is a great way to do it. Or let's say that you're a church. Let's use that example. And you have volunteer opportunities for your own church, but then, hey, you really are passionate about the food kitchen down the street and you want to curate their stuff so your audience can also see those. This is one of those ways that you can do that is by using this feature. So what you would do is from any page, you would go to your organizational dashboard and be able to see everything here. And then on the left-hand side, you're going to see the word recommendations, okay? If you click on that, let me show you something first though. If you click on your name in the left-hand side, the organization name, it takes you to your organization profile. This is where your custom URL is, right? Where you can send people to anytime to see what you're about, and they can see all the opportunities that you have coming up right here where they can sign up and share. See, there's nothing else on this page right now, okay? Now, let's go back to where we were, click on recommendations, and let's say you know that there is a place down the street. I'm going to type in, we're logged in right now as Meant Life. Let's say X Church, which I just named as General Church. You would search it. There it is. You would click the follow button. Now, this is where it gets fun, guys. We are now following the church, okay? So nothing is showing up on our dashboard as of yet. If we go over here, see, no opportunities are showing up here on our profile. But now, if we go into the edit feature, for this organization, this church organization, we have the option to feature all. So anytime they post a volunteer opportunity, it'll curate to our profile, or we can choose one or the other or several or whatever it is. In this example, they have two. Let's say we're going to feature all, okay? We're going to save the changes. Now, before we go and take a look where I show you what that does, let's go here and let's say I know there was another organization in here, a general one called Band. We're going to follow the band, and now we're going to go to them. We're going to edit them. Well, we don't want to feature all of their locations because they're all over the country. But the one that happens to be right in our town, we want to feature that one. We don't want to feature all. And then we'll save those changes. Now what happens is when you X out of this, you go to your profile page. You'll see everything looks the same, who you are, has your opportunities. Underneath that, you'll see recommended, and you'll see both from church have showed up because we've decided to curate all of their opportunities, and only the one that we chose from band shows up. And you can fill this thing up with the recommended, and it's a fantastic way to communicate with your audience the opportunities that you suggest in the area that maybe you have vetted and know that they could use the help and that they do a good job working with your volunteers. Hope this is a great asset to you guys. Any questions, please feel free to contact us. And we are so excited to serve with you.